Fine. So this is our linked list, single linked list. Now we will see how to add the new node at the end. See, when we say that we have to add the node at the end, let's say that here, somewhere over here, right? But I'm drawing it. Let's say this is the end. I have created one node. Let's say this is my node. See this carefully, guys. See, I have created the node, and let's say the address of this node is 2001, and here I have the temp. Okay, not here. Let's say this is my temp, and this temp contains 2001, so it will point to this. Now, what is the idea? The idea is to insert this node at the end of the linked list. So I can create the link from this location to from this node to this node, right? And but how can I reach to this location? Anyone? How can I reach to the end? Because I can only start the traversing of the linked list from this ST. This is my beginning, right? Whenever you are asked to traverse to the linked list, always start with the this pointer. This is your starting point. But to add this node at the end, I need to reach to this location. How can I go there? How will I come to know that this is the end of the string, end of the linked list?
Ma'am, the temp next will have null in it. When we assign the first one, then we can go to the next until we get null
Yeah, but
in the next one.
right now my temp is here. Right now I have created the node and my temp contains this address. So this temp is pointing to this. So I need one more temp variable. You are right, Shashwat. Temporary, but we have given this all. Also, let's change the name for the better understanding. I'm just giving the name new. Fine. So this is my new pointer which will point to this. Now what I need to do, I'll need one temp variable. So first I'll assign the st value to the temp. So my temp will point to this. Now every time I have to check. What I have to check? If temp next is equal to null, you can do either thing, is equal to null or is not equal to null. Is equal to null. If it is equal to null, then I can create the list, right? Then I can assign this address to this. But what if it is not? What if it is not null?
Then temp equal to,
Go to the next node.
yes,
Right?
yes.
Right? And of course we will have a for loop for this, so you can give the I plus one thing, right? Because this is my 0, so my I is there, then I plus 1 is there, I plus 1, I plus 1, every time you can do this. One thing you have to keep in mind when you add the node at the end, that the moment when you will reach to this place, okay, you will find that okay, you got the null, but actually what you want this address, this value you can get. You cannot fetch this value, you cannot fetch this value, you can fetch this value only. But once you have reached to this place, how can you go back? So this thing you have to take care while you are writing the code, that how you can store the previous data in some variable. So if you got the null, in that case you can use that temporary value which you had stored previously during the previous iteration. So you will get this 1004. After getting this 1004, sorry. Not in this case. If you got, sorry guys, not in this case you require this. This is the another case. Not in this case. Huh? Directly I will need, sorry. Directly I'll need, once I reach over here, now I can store the value of new. So what I can do, whatever my temp it is, so the temp next, in this case if it is equal to null, temp next is equal to new, right? After this statement, after this statement I'll get 2001 over here, and my this node will point to this. Okay, so only this much of logic you required, and other thing, news info is equal to value, and new next is equal to null, right? So value, let's say 60, and null. So see, you can see that every time this temp will have the pointer to the next node. So this is the logic. Understood, guys?
Yes, miss.
That portion I did a mistake actually. It was not about that. Keep in mind this previous thing. Previous thing will come over here in the middle section. So this is about the how to add the node at the end of the linked list. Is it easy?
Yes, miss.
What you have to write, that I have already given, but where you have to write, that you have to decide, and that is called the logic. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.